Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2002 Chevrolet Camaro SS 35th Anniversary Edition. It's painted in bright red with two-tone black and medium gray interior. We'll check out the back first. So we got the hatch open. You can see it's got the large rear glass here, and then down below we have the interior, and then we have the SS Anniversary beauty pad there. That's to showcase that it is a nicer car. When you can see that through the window, we'll see that in a bit. This is a T-top car, so it's the coupe. So we have the T-tops in the trunk. It's a glass roof, and it has the protectant shields here, so that pulls off, and it just held on with Velcro. They're nice and light, so a person can take it in and off and no problem. Obviously, when the roofs are on the car, you gain this trunk space here. You can see it's got the rear speakers on both sides here. We'll go ahead and close the trunk lid now. Closes nicely. We'll zoom out here so you can see the T-tops off there. Coming back down here, you see the interior, and there's that beauty pad. It really brightens up the trunk there, in my opinion. And I'm coming back here, you can see the anniversary stripes there. So it's a dual SS stripe, and it fades into a checkered flag. We have the SS rear spoiler there, and then we have the Camaro in the silver script there. We got the Chevrolet bow tie down here with the SS badge right underneath the tail light. As we come back here, you can see it has dual exhaust with the quad tips, and it's an aftermarket system. So we'll zoom in here. As you can see, it says MF on there, so they're Magnaflow mufflers, and it sounds really great. All right, moving to the wheels. The anniversary car's got unique wheels, only for the 35th anniversary. So we got a machined wheel with the black inners, and we have brand new Michelin tires that were just installed in April. And it's got a 275/40 ZR17 in the rear. And you can see the brake calipers are painted red, and it looks really great. Okay, moving to the front. We got the same size tire, a 275/40 ZR17, and you can see the wheels look great. Again, all the tires are new in April. We'll make our way to the door panel. So the interior is all black for the door panel. You got a nice long door for these F-bodies. We have power locks, power windows, your door release, and then your speaker system down there. I'll show you the dash on this side here. You can see it's nice and clean. And open the glove box. The owner's manuals are in there. We also have the original bill of sale and the build sheet for this car, so that's pretty cool. Door jambs looking great. Kick plate is nice and long. And this is an original Canadian car, so that makes it rare because they only made 369 of this model, of the 35th anniversary model, given into Canada. So coming up here, you can see the rear seats look great. Again, that two-tone design. The leather looks great. We also have rubber floor mats in the trunk, and it comes with the carpeted floor mats that it came with from the beginning, and you can see they're in wonderful condition. My guess is the rubber mats were used all the time, and these were preserved because they look wonderful. Here's your seats. So it's got a manual passenger seat here, so you can see the condition here looks great. Two-tone looks wonderful. And then you got that special 30th anniversary SS Chevrolet Camaro embroidered in the backrest there, the headrest of the car. Let's go ahead and close the door. Show you that rear spoiler. So the SS spoiler is unique compared to the regular Z28. It has this nice flip up here, so I'll show you the profile there. Has that really nice design there. It's subtle, but still stands out, and you can see that really unique stripe there. We'll walk down the car here. As you can see, the T-tops are off. Interior looks great. Then we got the body colored side mirrors, and we'll come down the car here. I want to show you the shine in this paint. The paint looks wonderful in this car. It has been 5-stage polished by our team already, so you can see it's wonderful. All the reflections. There's your SS badge there, anniversary badge. And your headlights here, they're nice and crisp. You can see they look like brand new almost. And then coming to the front here, I'll feel down here, see what I feel. I don't feel anything, so that's good. We have the special grill insert there, so it has the vents and it says Camaro there, so that's unique to the SS as well. I want to point out here we have a front plate installed here, so that flips up, so if you're driving on the road you can put that up. Come to a show, it's just a little tough here with one hand, put that there and you get a nice clean look. You can see the whole front of the car. All right, coming to the front, the engine compartment. We have a special SS hood, so it's a fiberglass hood and it is functional. So it's got the scoop and it actually lets cool air or fresh air into the engine. So here's your engine itself. It's a 5.7 liter LS motor and it produces 345 horsepower. So it's a bump up from the regular Z28 and it was done by SLP, Street Legal Performance. So GM sent these cars to SLP to soup them up into SS models. And you can see it's nice and clean in here, just how it should be. And this one is paired to the 4-speed automatic transmission. It has the upgraded SLP Air-Induction system, and we do have the original as well that will come with the car. And it also has a car cover that will come with the car. We'll close the hood there, we'll make our way to the front here. You can see that really cool Camaro badge there. We'll come into the stripes here. You can see how unique it looks. It really stands out there. And you can see the paint is beautiful. I don't really see any flaws in the paint itself. And we'll come through this scoop here. So we get the matte black stripe there, coming into that really cool SS hood hood. And I do want to point out there is one little mark in the stripe there from a stone and a little tiny skip there, but overall looks wonderful. We'll make our way to the front here. Wheel looks great on this side. And this side as well. Back to the door panels. All black door panel again. So here we got functions. We got power mirrors, we got power locks and power windows, your door release, and then your speaker grill here. I'll show you the dash on this side. There we are. And then the door jambs over here. And a nice long kick plate, looking good. Recline the seat here and we'll scan the condition here. So they look great. And then pedals down there, again, your SS floor mats looking wonderful. The driver's seat is a 6-way power seat with manual recline. And we'll scan the condition here. So that's looking good. And then check out the T-tops here. I like how they brought it back to resemble the 70s, 80s Camaros, the T-top. We'll hop in the car now. So we got vents over here. You got your dash dim lights here and your headlight controls. This yellow button here is your trunk release. Up on the steering column, here we have a manual tilt wheel. Here we got cruise control here, and you got your windshield wiper controls here. On the steering wheel, we got audio controls on both sides here. And then over on this side here, you got your key, and we got 2 key fobs that will come with the car as well. And then let's start the car up. There we are. And then we'll zoom out here so you can see that steering wheel. So a nice black round wheel. We got bump outs here. We got the airbag with the Chevrolet bow tie in the center here. And we'll come in the gauges here. It's an analog cluster. And then let's zoom in to the mileage here. There you go there. It's 15,632 kilometers. So that's right. It's a low kilometer 2002 Camaro, and this is a collector car, so that's what you want. You want a real low mileage car in your collector Camaro. Coming up here, you got your rear view mirror. Down below, we got your vents here, and then we have your fog lights here. We got a nice 35th anniversary Chevrolet Camaro badge here, and then here's your stereo system. It's a Monsu system with a CD player. Down below, we have your climate controls. And we got a nice pocket here, a cigarette lighter here, a 12-volt socket, a little ashtray here. Here's your automatic transmission control. Again, it's a 4-speed automatic. And then we got your e-brake handle here. And then right here we got a toggle switch that was added on, obviously. That is your exhaust dumps. So you hit this switch, it's an electronic exhaust dump, and it will open up the exhaust, bypasses the rear mufflers, so it makes it louder. Nice feature there. And then we got a single cup holder here. Here's your console. We'll open this up here, put my hand in here so you can see how deep it is. The slots here, going this way is for your cassettes, or CDs I should say. This way is your cassettes, even though it doesn't have a cassette player. But some of these were equipped with a cassette player. Over here we got your change holders here. Close that up. Let's open the door now. I'll turn on the headlights here, and I'll give it a couple revs. This is what's going through the exhaust, so. Here it sounds healthy. Now I'll flip this switch here. And it opened up the exhaust, so you can hear it's got a little louder rumble, and let's rev it up. There we go. Sounds got a nice healthy exhaust system on it. Sounds great. And the exhaust dumps just behind the door here before the muffler system. And we'll come to the front here, and wow, look at the paint on this thing. It's just a beautiful car. There's your headlights on. And little knowledge for you guys. They built 3,369 35th anniversary editions. Only 369 cars were allotted to Canada. This is one of them. So nice rare car. It was not imported. It was sold new in Toronto. We had the original Dell sale, like I said. And this is one of 943 in this with the T-top and the automatic transmission. So a nice rare car. There's your exhaust there. Listen to that. It sounds great. And again, the exhaust is open, so it's not really coming out of the muffler right now. Lights are on there. Beautiful car. So here we have it. This is a 2002 Chevrolet Camaro SS automatic transmission in bright red with a two-tone interior, the 35th anniversary edition, and only 15,632 kilometers. This is here and available at monroemotors.com. Come down and have a look at this one for yourself. We look forward to seeing you real soon.